Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Riley floor plan, like many of our plans, has a flex space design that gives you the freedom to create what you want. From the flex room, you can convert it to another bedroom, or a fitness room or study, or an in-law suite with its own living room, or even a second owner's suite with a walk-in closet. Of course, you can add more and have even more flexibility with the addition of the bonus room. This version shows the bonus room with the powder room and wet bar. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.